So we're on the farm, and as you can see, the sorrel has burst. So we soon have sorrel in December, hopefully. And this sorrel bursting there. Sorrel. Lots of sorrel. And now we're going to check if any cocoa is ready. Scotty's going to pull up this one and see if it's ready. Must find at least one cocoa, Scotty.
You want to find more than one cocoa? You want to find one.
Like it no beer. Not at all, man. Nothing yet on this one.
Yeah, them just a beer, some little marble cocoa as well, but them small, some little marble, see how them stay.
Oh. Yeah, just that beer.
Yeah, just start. You can't display them.
Bite size that.
Go around. Come on.
Ready for Let's hold it right.
Rain. You cannot bear.
Whoa, we get one cassava already. Nice size cassava.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
More than one.
I remember the dry weather was on the ground.
I try to go. Same thing you go if I'm in a yam hill.